Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. And today I'm going to take you through our 2019 Scout 275 LXF. So here on board the Scout 275 LXF, starting off on the aft end of the boat is powered by twin V6 200 four-strokes from Mercury that do feature the top cowling service door, where you can check and change your oil and engage the lever and remove the entire cowling with just one arm. We have twin swim platforms on both sides of the boat with a boarding ladder to the starboard side. Well, what I want to display here is with Mercury's new cowling design on a boat like the 275, where you have a fold-down wave gate that allows you to access either side of the boat. Even with the motors trimmed all the way up, I can still bring my stern seat and backrests up. So my stern seat can still be in use, even with the motors trimmed completely out of the water. It's a nice new feature that Mercury thought of for boats such as this, whenever you're beached or anchored. You got bolsters that run throughout the entire boat, including the aft end if you're doing any fishing. We do have bait wells, both port and starboard, on the aft end, along with rod holders, recessed cleats, and we do have fender pros as well. We've got fish boxes, both port and starboard, dedicated rod storage along the gunnels. This is the upgraded leaning post on the 275. I've got a freshwater sink, cup holders, a storage area, and a prep station. In addition to pull-out drawers as well. Moving forward, got a really nice double wide helm seat with bolsters that work independently of each other and adjustable armrests. Footrest at the helm, digital throttle and shift from Mercury, Edson steering wheel with an adjustable tilt. You've got a large touchscreen from Garmin, digital C-zone switching, digital start and stops, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, LED trim tab indicators, storage area at the console. We do have a Garmin VHF already installed, fully enclosed windshield, yet it's still ventilated. On the hardtop, we've got 5 rocket launchers aft, 2 JL audio speakers aft, and 2 more forward built into the hardtop. We've also got a large subwoofer just beneath the helm seat. We come around to the port side. We've got a very large head on this boat. Porcelain head with its own holding tank. Plenty of room for storage. We've also got connectivity for a battery charger on the boat. Further forward, up into the bow, got a nice seat in front of the console with storage or a cooler beneath, however you choose to use it. Really large backrest though that's contoured to your shoulders, very comfortable. Here on the port side, we've got the cushions in place, backrest in the upright position that does lower and recess to a down position. You can take these cushions out, like we've got displayed here on the starboard side. And beneath both sides, I've got finished out storage that's all plumbed and drained. And more storage on the foredeck as well. Really deep, really versatile. And lastly, we do have a through-the-stem windlass anchor on this boat with foot controls, in addition to the controls that are at the dash. That's a look at our 275 LXF from Scout. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com, and always check out our store's Facebook page. Again, I'm Carl Anderson. We'll see you soon. Thank you.